When your tire tread runs thin, you could be in for a slippery ride, literally. Luckily, you can spot dangerous tread depth using just a penny and Honest Abe's head. This quick and easy way will let you know when it's time to replace your tires. The penny test. To check your tread depth, you don't need any fancy tools or expert knowledge. Grab a penny, and that's everything you need. Place your penny into the thread groove upside down. In other words, your penny should be going into the thread heads first. Examine the part of the penny that's showing. If you can see the top of Abe's head, your tread is shallow. Repeat the penny test in several different grooves of the tire. If Abe's head is always showing, your tire is shallow and it's time for a replacement. So just remember, if the tread touches Abe's head, you got a good tire. Thanks for watching. I'm Aaron, and be sure to like our Facebook page for more helpful tips.